Salut les amis, comment allez-vous? Moi, je vais bien. You are welcome to Oliver Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on Fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Foundation to Reading Comprehension 1. Chapitre 3. Les genres des noms. Les genres des noms. So if this is the first time you are watching our video, or if you have missed the previous lesson, you can get the link to those videos in the description. So in this video, we are going to study the gender of nouns. Masculin ou féminin? Masculine or feminine? How do we know whether a word is masculine or feminine? Généralement, on reconnaît le genre d'un nom par son article tel que un, une ou le, la. So these are the things that will help us to know whether a word is masculine or feminine. Un, une, le, la. Le nom est masculin quand son article est un ou le. Le nom est féminin quand son article est une ou la. Now, some may ask, what if we don't have un or une? In that case, there are tricks that can guide you to know whether it's a masculine or feminine. But we will be looking at those things in another lesson. Continue. Masculin. Un. When a word or a noun is having un as article, then that noun is a masculine noun. Exemple. Lisez après moi. Un stylo. Un élève. Un ami. Un ananas. Un père. Féminin. Une. So une shows that the noun is feminine. Exemple. Une tête. Une fille. Une amie. Now you will see that this ami is having e at the end, whilst this one is not having e. That is the difference between the male friend and then female friend. Une fête. Une table. Now another thing that also shows that the word is masculine is when the article is le. Exemple. Le stylo. Previously we have seen un stylo. So le and un are all used for masculine noun. L'élève. L'ami. La nana. Le père. Féminin. La. Previously we have seen une, which show that is a feminine. Both une and la are used for feminine nouns. Exemple. La tête. La fille. L'ami. La fête. La table. Okay, so note that when the noun starts with a vowel or silent H, le and la become L apostrophe. Okay, so that's what we have. Instead of le élève, we have l'élève. So both of them become L apostrophe in front of a word starting with a vowel or silent H. Just a reminder, we have seen le and la in chapter 2, lesson 2b. Also, we have seen un and une in this lesson, chapter 2, lesson 5b. Merci, nous sommes à la fin de cette leçon. Rendez-vous à la prochaine fois. Au revoir.